Okay, let's test the machine that I got for sanding down the floor. Let me just get the pipe ready. So this is the machine, the pipe with built-in vacuum. Let's try it here, where the floor is quite damaged. Let me get some more light. Like that. Okay, let's test this out. That's not bad. Look at that. Also, this part. Look at the difference. This is awesome. I'm gonna be able to redo this whole floor with almost no effort. This was easy. I'll make a time-lapse video. Somehow I'm going to need to install the camera or the phone on the ceiling. Yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. Keep watching, I'll post it. Ooh, it's hot. But going forward, sanding the floor, let me show you the difference. So this is the floor as it is or was. This is the part I sanded. What a big difference. Of course, we're not just going to varnish it. I think it's going to be a bit too dark if we just varnish it. I mean, you can always put a little bit water in it and you can see how dark it gets. And I tested it yesterday and it's going to be too dark. So we're going to put something with white stuff in it, white pigmentation, and see how it looks. And then we're going to varnish it. So I don't have a big sanding machine, so I'm using this one, a floor machine. This is just a big sanding machine. That's good enough. It takes a good part. This didn't take that long. So I just need to take the rest of the room. But I think I'll just stop for tonight. But overall, very satisfied. It's looking good. So, let me show you something. The floor is looking good. It hasn't been treated yet, so we want to varnish it. So we've been testing some products because with just varnishing this with varnish, it'll get dark. Maybe too dark, maybe too boring to look at. So I've been testing to see how it looks with white pigmentation it widens the wood, and then the plan is to, if it's good, we're going to use the white pigmentation once and then varnish it maybe 4 times. Let's look at the result. So this part, you can see it's a bit dark here. This is only varnish. And this is the white pigmentation with varnish, 2 layers of varnish. So what should we do? I think this is kind of a boring color. I would prefer this, but I need to ask Rikke about this and see what she thinks. I think we should go with the whitening of the floor. So I will keep you updated and show you the result within the next few days. The machine I used for sanding down the floor was quite good. It smelled a lot, it got very hot, but I did some finish. Small one, because the big machine couldn't get into the corners, so I did the corners with the small one. And these were some big holes. So when I sanded below the radiators, I took the wood dust, or what you would call it, and mixed it with some glue and made it feels like a rubber ball, and pushed it down. There were big gaps of holes here. Someone had dropped something heavy. So I filled them out with that. Also here. From a long distance it doesn't look that bad, because it looks like these. But that's fine. It's how you can repair big holes in the floor. You would almost not notice that these are holes that I've repaired. So, and I was a bit creative with the table, because I don't have room for the table anywhere. So I hanged it on the window with a piece of wood, so I can work on the floor undisturbed all the way around. I think during this weekend, this whole living area will be finished. I've also painted the pipes for the radiators all the way around. This radiator is quite new. It actually looks very fine. This radiator, let me just flip the camera. This radiator is an old one. As you can see, it's not that beautiful anymore. So I'll be spray painting that with some spray paint special for radiators. Of course, I need to cover everything up around the radiator when I spray paint it. So almost finished with this area, this living room. Next will be the bedroom, and as you can see, everything that was in here is stuffed in the kitchen area. There's no kitchen yet. The next one will be the bedroom. That's also filled up. It's going to be a hassle moving all of this. Also, I got a lot of junk. I think most of it just needs to be thrown out. So I'm going to sorting that out during the weekend, because all of that stuff needs to go into this room so I can do the bedroom. The bedroom is basically the same type of room as this room, has the same walls, same flooring, so I have to sand down the flooring in there the same way I did here, and remove the sawdust wallpaper, so it can be as smooth as this one. I don't know if I can show you. It's smooth. Yeah, with my hand you can see it. So it's a smooth wall. This one was the ugly wall that I showed you earlier. You can't even see it was so damaged. I repaired it. All in all, a successful job with this wall. So looking forward to finishing the room. We had some cold, some shiny days with sun, but it's getting a bit cold again. As long as it doesn't snow, I'm looking forward to the summer. Someone down there is enjoying the view. It has been a great day. Sun is setting. Okay, see you on the next one. I will show you on the next video where I have varnished, painted the floor. Later, guys.